Where is he?
But you have something that I never. You have people that know you've been through. Right here. Nothing's gonna go back to the way that it was. Not really. But it'll get better.
I found him. Where is he?
American actor Joe Keery and director Shawn Levy are here to elevate the excitement of all Stranger Things fans. During an interview with ET's Rachel Smith, the Stranger Things actor opened up about the fourth season of the show as he walked alongside the director and producer at the red carpet of the Free Guy premiere. Asked about what fans can expect from the new season, Levy said, "Every time I open my mouth it gets me in trouble," he quipped, and added, "What fans can expect is a season that is wildly more epic than the first three. The reason it has taken a minute is, yes, COVID protocols that keep us safe but have slowed us down, but also, it is by far the most ambitious, epic, globe-spanning plot we have ever done," he added. Keery also joined in, saying, "I just wrapped up my own stuff, so we are getting close. We are still going but we are getting there. I think it is going to be worth the wait." He went on to laud the show, saying, "It's just the people. I love the people that we make the show with. It's something that I really look forward to going back and seeing everybody and being presented with a new challenge each year. When you get to read the scripts and see what's kind of in store for you, I'll never have another experience like it. It'll be sad when it's over," he added.
I found him. Where is he?
But you have something that I never. You have people that know you've been through. Right here. Nothing's gonna go back to the way that it was. Not really. But it'll get better.
I found him. Where is he?